Because it's wide, people park.
Billet. Hi guys.
Hello. Hello. How are you?
Very good, thank you. How are you getting on?
I can't take it.
No. Still struggling. Oh, God, that's me. Hello. So today is cleaning day. Well, our first job of the day is a clean, so we have to basically clean this apartment and get it ready for the next guest. Now we need to make up the futons. The views are just unreal from these apartments as well. Not much more to do. So we've hoovered and cleaned all the kitchen. I'll put it on wide so you can actually see. So this is all nice and clean. Bathrooms are done. We just need to do a final hoover, or vacuum, sorry. And yeah, this is the apartment done. Right, cleaning is done. I think I'm gonna go for an onsen now. Got my onsen kit and my towel ready. Job done, baby. And this is the onsen we're going to go to, Shinden no Yu, which is the closest to the house. Right, everything's off. This is my little onsen kit. Obviously you can't film anything in here, so ready to go onsen. But I'm heading back to the house now. I'm fresh and clean. And then I've got my next job at 4 today. So a bit of a busy day, but it's all good. Everyone's been super ill this week and I'm only just starting to come around, so I'm feeling good to get back to work and feel normal. And this is where I live, and that is my room right there next to the golfer. So yeah, quick turnaround. I might have a little bit of a relax for a while. So it's time to go to the second job of the day. Today I'm on the early shift, so it's actually only 4 hours because I've done a clean this morning. That adds up to sort of how many hours you do in the day. So I'm just doing 4 till 8 at the bar, which is nice because I normally do the like 6 till 1, 2 a.m. shift. So a little bit of a easy one today. So I'll take you along, show you what it's like, opening up the bar, all that kind of stuff. See how busy we are for the afternoon. Right. First job, switch all the lights on. There we go. Let's get the party started. Welcome to my humble abode. That is Heaven Bar. Actually, it's quite good that I've got an opening shift today because I can kind of show you around without anyone else being here and it being awkward, so that's good. boards are rented. Let's see how this goes. Yeah, and I got it on video. Everyone's down.
Alright.
A really sad lunch.
Can I see the video of me falling over, please?
Yeah.
Okay, so I had a nap because I was violently hungover today. Well, not violently hungover, but I was quite hungover. I slept it off and now I'm going to work. So back at the bar tonight, but I'm on the long shift instead. So I think I might grab a coffee before we go. Today wasn't really like a great day because I didn't show you much because I was hungover, as I said. But there'll be lots more skiing days to share, so we shall see. Today's been another day of skiing, and this morning it was like terrible visibility, but it's f***ing beautiful now. Look at that. It's absolutely gorgeous. Lots of people have gone home to start work, but I'm on the late shift at 8 p.m. at the bar tonight, so I'm just going to stay up by myself and do a few more runs. It always seems to come out nice at the very end of the day when everyone's gone home. But I can enjoy some nice solo runs, so I'll take you along actually, we'll do some runs together.